In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get free Bitcoin. I'll be showing you a specific method that will enable you to get free Bitcoin from anywhere in the world. And what's even better is that the Bitcoin that you do get will grow and multiply over time. Of course, there will be dips, but it's only gone up, generally speaking. Also, I will show you a secret hack that will allow you to get as much Bitcoin as you want, so make sure that you watch this video all the way until the end so you know exactly what you need to do and how you can actually get this free Bitcoin. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll need is an account on either Coinbase, Binance, or KuCoin. So if we take a look at Coinbase, the main page should look something like this. It says right here, get started with your crypto portfolio, and that the simplest site to buy and sell cryptocurrencies is Coinbase. Join now to get started. So in order to create an account, you can just click on this button that says get started, and then just put your information like your first and last name, your email, and a password. Then just check this box and click on the button that says create account. After you do that, you're going to want to verify your email, so you'll just go over to your email account that you used and click on the button that says verify your email. After you've done that, you will now have your new Coinbase account. So if you'd like to use either Binance or KuCoin instead, the process is essentially the same, where you will fill out your personal information and then verify your email address to create a new account. If you're in the US, you would use Binance.us, and if you're outside the US, then you would just use Binance.com. So since I'm in the US, I'm going to use Binance.us. So if you go to Binance, you'll just click on this button right here that says Get Started. You'll just add your email and a password, a referral code if you have one, and then you'll just check on this box saying that you are over 18 years old and that you've read, understood, and agreed to the Binance terms of use and privacy policy and biometric data policy. If you'd like to go over any of these, you can just click on the words and it'll take you to their respective pages. After you do that, then you can just click on Create Account. Once you've done that, you'll also get an email to verify your account, similar to Coinbase. So now the other option that we have is KuCoin. So when you get to the KuCoin main page, you'll click on the button that says Sign Up. After that, you'll click on where it says Email right here. Then you'll add your email verification code, set your login password, and then check on the box that says you agree to the terms of use, and then click on Sign Up. But when you enter your email, the first thing you want to do is click on Send Code, so you can enter in the email verification code. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Coinbase right now. When you log into Coinbase, you'll just want to click on this button right here that says Send and Receive, which will then give this pop-up for you. You'll then want to click on Receive, scroll down here, and click on this copy icon to copy this address. This is the address that you will be using to receive your Bitcoin from the site that I'll be showing you later in this video. And you can get the same receive address from Binance as well, or KuCoin. So now that we have copied our address to receive Bitcoin, we will head on over to the next site to actually receive your Bitcoin. When I show you this site, don't click off this video and try it yourself. Make sure that you watch this all the way through to the end first, so you know what you need to do first in order to actually receive your Bitcoin, and then you can do this yourself after you watch this video if you need to. Make sure that you watch this all the way through once so you know everything you need to do so you don't make a mistake, as that is very important. So now I'm going to show you this site. But before I do that, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to get more content like this. Okay, so now back to the video. So this site that I'm going to show you is not going to get you rich. All it's going to do is give you a little bit of Bitcoin every single day. So the site is called bitcoinget.com. But when you go to this website, it should look like this, and it says the easiest way to get free Bitcoin. When you get to this site, you'll just paste in your Bitcoin address right here that you copied when you clicked on the receive button in Coinbase. After you've done that, then you will just click the button that says Get Bitcoin Now. So when you do that, this will pop up where it says Surveys have been discontinued on Bitcoin Get. To find a wide selection of high-paying surveys, please visit our sister site, Reward XP. A lot of people come here to make a lot of money on Bitcoin, and so what happens is that they get too exhausted to the point where they recommend a sister site that does the same thing, which in this case is Reward XP. But what we're going to do is click on Explore Offers right here, which will take us to this page. So besides just completing surveys, you can also do free trials, mobile apps, go shopping and purchase things with cash, and then get cash back at a discount in crypto and watch videos. However, with the videos, you want to be sure that you get on the site early every single day, because in order to get paid by this website, since there's so many other people doing the same thing to collect Bitcoin from the site, you are competing against those other people. In other words, there are only so many available videos that you can watch and earn Bitcoin with on this website. Another thing you can do when you see something like this is that you can switch your IP address. Your IP address on your computers shows where you are located in the world. So in order to change your location, you can use a software that's known as a VPN. So in order to do that, you're going to open a new page and search for TunnelBear on Google. TunnelBear is a secure VPN service that you can use. So you'll just click on the first link that you see, and when the page opens, you'll just click on the button to get TunnelBear. After you've created an account with TunnelBear, you'll then open another new tab and search on Google for TunnelBear Chrome extension. And you'll just scroll down and click on this link right here. When you click on that, it'll open this page for you, and then you'll click on this button that says Install or Add to Chrome. So after you've installed this TunnelBear Chrome extension to your computer, then you'll just click on it right here and select the country you would like to be located in. And then you can click on this button to change it to on. After we do that, then we'll go back to bitcoinget.com and reload the page to see if there are some videos for us to watch in order for us to earn some Bitcoin while you are located in a different country. There we go. We now have videos for us to watch to earn Bitcoin. So all we did here is change our IP address, which is our location with our computer, to a different country, so we could have a new chance in watching videos to receive Bitcoin, because not as many people have used this website in this country that we located ourselves in. So you can see all these different videos that we can watch on a variety of different topics. So just click on any of these videos or any of these buttons that says Start Earning, watch the videos, and then earn Bitcoin by doing so. And once you've watched all of the videos and ran out, you can then just go back up to your VPN and change the country and repeat this process so you can earn even more Bitcoin. That is the secret in getting as much Bitcoin as you want with this process. So now I want you to go back to Explore Offers and browse all these different offers that you can do in order to earn Bitcoin. So you can download a game and play the game to earn Bitcoin. You can watch a video to earn Bitcoin. You can get a free trial with this one and many more. So now if you go up here and click right here and then click on My Account, you can see your overview of your balance showing how much is pending and how much has been paid to you. And then you can see your activity right here and your payments as well as your referrals. And referrals is a really powerful section because anyone you refer to this website, you will receive 10% of their earnings for all the surveys that they complete. That's essentially how this website works. Like I mentioned previously, this is not going to get you rich. All it's going to do is give you a little bit of Bitcoin consistently, which will grow over time because Bitcoin has been consistently growing for many years now. This is just a way to get some free Bitcoin online for people who have some extra time. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn how to actually make some real money online, check out this video right here.